Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for alignment. Let's begin. Sit down in Padmasana. Nice and tall. Inhale, fingertips together. Exhale, open your chest. Take a cactus pose. Arms down. Inhale, reach your tip of your finger to the sky. Exhale, open your chest. And down. Inhale to the cactus pose. And exhale. Inhale, pull your shoulders down. And exhale. Inhale, engage serratus anterior muscle to pull your shoulders down. Exhale, widen your collarbone, shoulder blades together. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. And all the way down. Now let's take a child pose, Balasana. Toes touch, knees open about your butt distance. And from here, really reach tip of your finger farther away. And make sure to connect your tailbone down to the heel. And tailbone down to the heel. And fingertip reach forward so that you're going to create a space between each vertebra. Okay? Inhale and exhale. Okay, now let's shift our regular breathing to the Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale deep through the nose. Exhale deep and long through the nose. Cultivate Ujjayi Pranayama, Ujjayi breath. So it's not just a regular, relaxed child pose. This is very active child pose Balasana. Okay, now let's shift into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Make sure plant your hands down, 10 toes pressing down, heels down. Make sure to shift your tailbone to the heel to support your weight with your legs. And from here, make sure Jurishi gaze between your heels. Inhale, reach right leg up. Extend. And exhale, knee touch to the nose. And inhale, reach. And exhale, knee to the nose. Inhale, reach to the sky. Exhale, curl your back. Inhale, spine straight. And exhale. And one more, reach your toes to the sky. Exhale, knee to the nose. And now press it down. Now other side. Left leg reach. And exhale, knee touch to the nose. Inhale, stretch out. And exhale, curl your back. Inhale, create flexibility on your back and spine. And exhale. Use your core to support. Inhale. And exhale. One more stretch out. Extend, reach. And exhale, roll your back. And press your legs down. Now slowly walk your hands to your feet. Let's hug your elbows And feel free to bend your knees. And just hang there. Let the weight of skull stretch your back. Let gravity does a work. And now slowly release your hands. Each vertebra roll up. And roll your shoulders down. Okay, now leg wide open. Prasarita Padottanasana. Wide-legged forward fold. And with crisscross arms. Inhale and exhale. And you wanna hold your knees. Stay there. Hug your elbows. Crisscross your arms. And make sure to keep your toes in. And tailbone reach into the sky. And relax your neck. Shoulders away from ears to create space. And stay there. The outer edge of your feet pressing down very strong, firmly. Lifting up your arch. Kneecap lifting up to use your thigh muscles so that alleviate weight and pressure from your knees. And inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Now switch your arms, crisscross your arms. Inhale, exhale, hold your fingers, hands, your knees. And press your heels, outer edge of your legs pressing down. Inner edge of your feet and legs lifting up. Kneecaps lifting up. Tailbone reaching to the sky. Shoulders away from ears. Try to feel the weight of skull. Let gravity do the work. Inhale halfway up. Exhale all the way up and release your arms. Okay, now let's work on Vaksasana, tree pose. Toes, heels touch knee together. And now shift your weight onto your left. Slowly bring your right leg up. You can bring your right leg this way, or here, middle, or all the way up, beside your inner thighs. Okay. And now palms together, gaze drishti. Pick up your focal point. Steady your breath. Steady your gaze. And stay there. Four corner of your foot pressing down. Very strong base. Firmly pressing down. Crown reaching to the sky. And slowly release your legs. Now shake it off. Now, again, toes feet touch. Toes knees together. Shift your weight to your right side. Okay, make sure to spread your toes wide to have more surface. And engage your core, tailbone pressing down, crown reaching to the sky. Slowly bring your foot up against inner thighs and fix your drishti. And now release and shake it off. And from here, I'm gonna show you from profile. Toes, heels touch. And hands, heart center, prayer pose. And inhale, really engage belly button to the spine, engage your core, tailbone pointing down, not like off. Tailbone pointing down, and core pressing down, pressing toward the spine. And from here, use serratus anterior muscle and shoulder down. Crown reach in the sky and start lifting up your heels up. And kneecaps lifting up. Use your front of your thigh to keep this balance. Tailbone down, crown reaching, create space between each vertebra and cervical vertebra. Work on your postures. Shoulders engage down. And shoulder blades together. Keep your chest open. Widen your collarbones. Steady your breath. Steady your gaze. And steady your mind. Slowly with control, bring your heels down. And relax your legs. Okay, now find your way to come to seated pose. Actually, completely lay down on your back. And sole of your feet together, drop your knees to the side. And your hands by your side, palms up. And big inhale. Open your mouth, sigh out. And let it go. Drop your shoulders, soften your chest. Soften all limbs. Widen your shoulders and press them down. This sequence is designed to align your spine and improve your posture. You can do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!